Silver drip, shiver, your rain on mine. Fresh heart cut, this leaf you grew. The centre of everything in my photosynthesis, though too thin sometimes, so your drops fall. That heavy from above, we undergo the winter darkness, alone together, one and the same. With waves of solemn purple against my shore, so tall, so constant, you permeate down. But no more crackling dry spells, just a heat that burns it. Brighter blue, my water. A new feeling in the life you give me, baby blue. This young succulent, open to anything, and always you, but no one else.